It took centuries of scientific development to invent the camera. But if it wasn't for one man, it might have taken even longer. This is the story of how one scientist changed the world without ever taking a picture. In the 10th century, Arab scholars made significant advancements in science, particularly in mathematics and optics. They developed innovative methods for calculating areas, volumes, and even pi, which is a very important mathematical constant. Their work in optics was also groundbreaking. They discovered that light travels in straight lines and made significant progress in understanding the properties of lenses. One Arab scientist who made significant contributions to optics was Ibn al-Haytham, also known as Al-Hazen. He was born in Basra, Iraq in 965 AD and died in 1040. He is considered to be one of the most influential scientists of all time. His book, The Book of Optics, published in 1021, was a comprehensive work on the science of light and vision. It covered topics such as reflection, refraction, diffraction, and the formation of images in mirrors and lenses. Al-Hazen's most famous discovery was his explanation of how the eye sees objects. He proposed that when an object is placed in front of the eye, light rays from the object enter the eye and are focused on the retina, which sends signals to the brain, allowing us to see the object. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of optics and paved the way for the development of modern cameras. But his work didn't stop there. He also made significant contributions to the development of eyeglasses. He discovered that by using the convex lenses, it is possible to magnify an object up to 4 times its original size. This discovery led to the development of the first magnifying glass, which was used in eyeglasses and telescopes. After finishing his masterpiece, Al-Haytham became blind, but he continued to write books until his death in 1040. Throughout his life, he made significant contributions to science and mathematics, including the study of light, optics, geometry, and algebra. Today, we remember him as one of the greatest scientists of all time, and his work continues to inspire and amaze us today. The camera obscura, a device used in early photography, is a direct descendant of Ibn al-Haytham's work. It uses a lens to project an image onto a screen, similar to how our eyes see objects. Without his discovery of how the eye sees objects, the development of the camera obscura and eventually the modern camera would not have been possible. The scientific method used by Ibn al-Haytham, which involved observation, experimentation, and mathematical analysis, is still used by scientists today. His emphasis on empirical evidence and his use of reason and logic to understand the natural world were revolutionary at the time and had a lasting impact on the development of science. Ibn al-Haytham's legacy extends beyond the scientific community. His work inspired many other scholars and thinkers to pursue their own scientific endeavors. He is an example of how one person's curiosity and pursuit of knowledge can change the world. Here are some quotes from famous people about the importance of knowledge. Knowledge is power. I find that learning just one thing each day keeps my mind sharp. One of the best things about being alive is the pursuit of knowledge. If you want to change the world, don't use a hammer. Use a camera. Change the world by sharing knowledge. That's the best revenge.